Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a screen protector for your Galaxy Watch Ultra, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, you decided to pick up the Galaxy Watch Ultra and you're looking to protect your beautiful screen there. Look no further, I decided to pick up this screen protector from the company called Suoman? I don't know, S-U-O-M-A-N. They're one of the companies on Amazon that have the screen protectors available already. Stay tuned, I do have more coming in. I actually ordered one from Sceen, should be coming in very soon in the next couple of weeks. So I'm gonna try this one out. I wanna protect it. I'm prone to hit the screen and I just don't want any scratches on it. So we'll test it out. Looks like the kit is pretty good. You get like 4 of them in here. So why not try it out, use it, and see what happens with the glass. You can actually turn off the sensitivity on here. You can turn it up some, so that way if you have any problems using the watch, you can definitely do so. But bam, packaging from them, kind of opened it already. So you get some wipes, some dust removers, you get the 4 screen protectors on there, and then you get this little suction cup too. It tells you some services there, so like you normally do, turn off the watch face, or the watch itself, not the face. Trying to do this on the camera is going to be fun, just like installing this phone screen protector. So you wipe it off, make sure it's clean. You know, you have your fingerprints, you have some oil on your hands, get all that junk off. Then you can take, they give you multiple screen protectors here, or screen little things. How many, again, I think I said this in one video, how many of these things do we really have? Then you take your little dust remover here. You don't have to press it too many times. Not that big of a face. Then you take your little suction cup. I guess that's pretty cool. So you have the back, so you want to make sure you put it here. You take the back off. Again, don't try to like leave this up in the air, because you don't want no dust to fall on it. And then you just put it where you want, and that looks good. If not, then you can always move it around some kind of way. Let's see, that actually looks pretty good. Now I gotta get this thing off. Slide that off. I think that looks good. Alright, so it's pretty good on there. So you just want to turn the power button back on. And let's check out and see how this feels. Maybe. There it goes. Now I do have some little bubbles here, but it should be able to go away after a little bit. Now will it fix some cases? Not sure. Alright, so I got it on there. You can tell fits really good. If you need to move it around, you can definitely do so. But let's turn the power back on, if I was hitting the right power button. But you can see it fits really well. Doesn't have much space. I do have some air up here, but you can work that out. I just want to see this touch sensitivity. But it's not bad though. It actually fits it better than some of the other screen protectors that I have for like the Watch 5 and the Watch 6 Classic. Now again, if you are having problems with the touch sensitivity, you can actually turn that up. So I want to see if I'm going to have that problem. Yeah, see, you don't have that same touch sensitivity. So what you can do, go into your display. Let's see if this works better. So now, since I turned that on, you can see that it works a whole lot better. So you might even want to turn that on before you even put the glass screen protector on there. So yeah, it works good now. Like, I don't have a problem with it. So make sure you turn that touch sensitivity on. But if you want to pick up the screen protector for your watch, I will have the links in the description. Like I said, you can get it from Amazon. I think it was like $9 or something for the screen protectors. So I will have the links there. It does help support the channel. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.